Bright Kids! Today is Reading Monday, so it's another English reading session here on Bright Minds PH. As usual, I'm your Ate Sila, and today the story that we will read is entitled A Windy Day. So we'll read our story and learn some vocabulary words. That's why if you like adding words to your vocabulary, make sure to like and share this video with your friends. So without further ado, let's begin our English reading session.
All right, so before we read our short story for today, let's check out these two vocabulary words that will help us to better understand our story for today. Okay, and our first word is wind.
Wind.
It is air as it moves naturally over the earth. For example, when you're hot, the wind feels good. So again, our word is wind. For our second word, it is bend.
Bend.
It means to curve or angle. For example, in order to sit down, we have to bend our knees. So again, our word is bend. All right, so let's start to read our short story, A Windy Day. Jay and Tara went out to play. Today is a windy day, said Tara. Where do you see the wind today? Asked Jay. I see it in the trees, Tara said. The trees bend in the wind. I see it in the leaves, said Tara. The leaves blow in the wind. The wind blew and blew. My hat is blowing away, said Tara. I see the wind, said Jay. Your hair is blowing in the wind. All right, so that's it for our short story. Now let's answer these questions. For our first question, which word is most similar to bend? Is it high, air, straight, or curve? The answer to our first question is letter D, curve. All right, for our second question, what bends in the wind? Is it letter A, hair, letter B, leaves, letter C, trees, or letter D, wind? For our second question, the correct answer is letter C, trees. Now for our third and last question, what is the effect of the wind? Is it letter A, trees bend in the wind? Letter B, leaves blow in the wind? Letter C, hats blow away? Or letter D, all of these are effects of the wind? The correct answer for this question is letter D. All of these are effects of the wind.
Great job! You beat the level!
Okay, so we've completed our English reading session for today. Did you get all of the answers correctly? I bet you did. So challenge your friends by sharing this video. Also, make sure to like it and to subscribe to our channel so that you are always updated. Thank you so much again for your time. Thank you for joining me, and of course, see you again next time. Bye.